Hi guys, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. Today I'll discuss the most used Git commands, and you all know that I already have started a playlist for the Git. Today is the day third and it is the last day of the Git series. This is the day third. Today I'll discuss all the commands which is mostly used in the Git for Git and also the practical as well. So do continue with me, and if you really like this series, do subscribe my channel and like it. So let's get started. First command is git clone. See guys, first we'll discuss each and every command in a detail in a theoretical way, and then we'll do the practical, because it's not like everyone have know all the things. Someone is there who have basic knowledge and someone is there who is pro. So what my agenda is to combine you all so that we all be in a same stage. So first thing that many people is there who didn't understand even the what this command actually do. So I'm just trying to help them. Give me 1 second. Yeah, first is what git clone usually do and what first definition. So git clone means create a copy of a remote repository on your local system. So many words is there. What is remote repository? What is local system? So it means where you write, if you write your code in your own laptop, so that is a local repository or remote repository for you. If you push your code to some cloud infrastructure or some GitHub, so that will be your, what we can say, that is remote. Okay, so that will be remote, and whatever you write, that is local. So git clone, what it will do, it will create, like if some command is there and that is not in your system, that is in cloud, it means that is in internet, and if you can make a copy of it in your local laptop, in your own laptop. So this thing will do with the help of git clone. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. So without further delay, yeah, where are you? Where we are? Yeah, sorry, my tongue clipped. So you understand git clone. So take a scenario and we'll understand one thing, real life scenario. Like you join a new project and your manager gives you the GitHub repository link. Okay, instead of manually copying files, you can run git clone. So this thing is very simple. See, if you are asking someone for the repository and they are not giving, instead they are giving just a URL. So what you will do, how you will get the code? So you can use the git clone and that URL, and you will get the what we can say that with the help of that URL, you will get the file in your local system. So it's very good. Command like git clone and that URL. Okay. Now example, git clone and this. You understand, correct? Now, what output it will come? If you use this command, what output it will come? Cloning into sample.app. Okay. You have to clone sample.app. And remote, like that will enumerating objects then done, remotes counting object that will be done, and receiving object that will be done. So this will be 1.2. So this kind of output you will get when you will use this command. Understood? Okay. So now the thing is that now you have the whole project plus commit history in a sample app folder. So what git, so first we'll understand git clone. Now we have to understand second command, that is git fork. What git fork will do? So first understand this definition. So forking is done on GitHub, not in CLI. So that fork thing is there. See, this command you can run in CLI. It means you can run it thoda with via this mobexterm or any terminal. But this fork will done with in GitHub itself. Okay, not with the help of that command line interface. So scenario, like for each command I gave on scenario so that people will understand in a very clear way. You want to contribute to an open source project, but you don't have right access. Okay. You fork the repository into your account, then clone your fork, make change it, and raise a pull request. So understood. See, if you don't have access also at that scenario, how you will work, just you have to fork from someone account. Like see, for example, some person is there, your manager is there, you can fork the repository with your manager GitHub account if it is in public, and you can fork it to your own GitHub account, and then once it will come to your own GitHub account, you can clone it and download it in your local and do the changes, and then you will pull it. So how it will work? See, first click fork on GitHub. Okay, let me show you guys. Then you will it will be uh, easy for you to understand. One second, GitHub. Sign it to GitHub. Also, see, this is one repository is there. So you will get some option. 1 minute. Okay. So with the help of that git clone repository, you can do. Okay. So uh, this is my repository. I have to open someone uh, some other person GitHub. Okay. And then we'll try to pocket. See, this is the thing. So, okay, we'll try to forget. So here you able to see the screen properly. See, fork option is there. You can do fork from here. Okay. You don't have any fork to this repository. Okay, we'll see the other repository. But you people able to see how can we do fork. Okay. So come to the theoretical part. I'll show each and everything practical. Click fork on GitHub. So we see from here only we have to click it. Then clone your repository. Once it will get cloned, git clone and that URL you have to give. Make changes and push to your fork. Raise a PR to the original repository. So that's we discussed git fork. Now git revert. So what git revert will do? So its definition is create a new commit that cancels the effect of a previous commit. Okay. It means that you have to do undo kind of thing. If something you have did and you want to cancel it, then you will use the git revert command. Scenario like see, a teammate accidentally committed a bug into the main repository. Instead of deleting history, you can revert it. Understood? So see the commands git log hyphen online. Output will see like this. Okay. And then you will see git revert and this. And then output you will see like this. Understood? So now your history is saved and the bug is commit undone. Fourth command is git pull. So this definition means fetches changes from remote and merge them automatically. Okay. So take a scenario. You are coding, but your teammate already pushed updates. You run git pull to bring their changes before continuing. So command will be git pull origin main. Output you will able to see like this. Okay. And equivalent to the git fetch plus git merge, you can use git pull, a single command. Git fetch definition: download new commits from remote but doesn't merge them. It will download it, but it will not merge it. You want to see and why we use when you just want to see the changes exist or not before merging. So we will use git fetch command. Git fetch origin, git log origin main. See, this let you previous changes without affecting your working branches. Sixth command is git restore. So its definition is discard local changes or unstaged files. See, take a scenario. You accidentally edited index.html or some file and you don't want the changes. At that time, you can use git restore index.html. File is restored to last commit state. So to unstage a file, git restore hyphen stage index.html. So this we discussed, and now files remain changed in working directory but removed from the staging area. This command is last command. Git stash definition saves uncommitted changes temporarily. Okay, so if something you didn't commit, so it will hide the commit, we can say temporarily. See, you are working on a features, but suddenly your manager asks you to switch to another branch for a hot fix. Instead of committing incomplete work, you can stash it so that like it will save in local and in future you can use it with the command git stash. So saves your work and cleaner working directory. So it will not be hodgepodge. So git stash list, git stash apply, git stash pop. So what pop will do? Pop applies changes and remove stash. So this is the command of which is related to the git stash, and yeah, git stash apply, git stash pop. And now the most important topic of today: what is merge conflict and how you will resolve it. So see, merge conflict means when two different developers working in two different branches with the same file. Suppose we have our index.html file and two different developers, developer 1 and developer 2, both are working on two different branches like branch 1 and branch 2, but on the same file, that index.html. And if they try to merge at the same, they try to commit the file at the same time, then at that situation merge conflict will happen. So definition is simple, like happens when two commits modify at the same line of code. So I explain in a detail, and this is a short one line definitions. So scenario, see, developers A changes line 10 of app.py. Developer B also changed line 10 in branch. On merging it shows conflict. So example, head this one and this one print. So how you will resolve it? So first thing is you just have to open the file. You have to do manually the changes, edit the changes. You can take help of your manager or who is your seniors and keep correct versions. Add the file so it will come to the staging area with the help of the command git add app.py. Then you have to commit merge. So with the help of the command git commit and add app.py. And you have to do, see, this way you can resolve. Now the question is, what is cherry pick then? So cherry pick means copy a specific commit from one branch to another branch. Scenario: bug fix was done in a feature branch and you want the same commit in the main without merging the whole branch. So that command will be git checkout main, git cherry pick, and this. So output will look like this. Git show. This is the last command. Definition means so detail of a commit, and command will be like this, and output you can see this. Okay. So if you guys want me to show the practical, I'll do for sure, but not today. If you want, do comment it. I'll show the practical. Thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day.